Are you feeling frustrated because your budget just isn't working? No matter how hard you try, you're still overspending or struggling to save? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly why your budget isn't working and most importantly, how to fix it. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why most budgets fail. If you're not seeing results, it could be for one of these key reasons. Reason number one, unrealistic expectations. If your budget is too strict, like cutting entertainment down to zero or trying to save half your paycheck immediately, you'll burn out. A budget should challenge you, but it has to be doable too. Reason number two, ignoring small expenses. It's easy to overlook things like daily coffee, snacks, or subscription services. These small amounts may not seem like much, but they add up fast. Tracking every penny matters. Reason number three, not adapting to changes. Life happens. Sometimes an unexpected expense pops up like a car repair, medical bill. If your budget doesn't account for these, it will quickly fall apart. Reason number four, lack of emergency savings. If your budget doesn't have a cushion for emergencies, one unexpected event could derail all your plans. This makes you feel like your budget isn't working when really you just need that safety net. Now that we know why budgets fail, let's talk about how to fix yours. Follow these simple steps to take control of your money and get your budget back on track. Step 1. Set realistic goals. Start small. Instead of cutting out all fun, reduce it by 20 to 30%. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Step 2. Track all your expenses. Use a budgeting app or even a simple notebook to write down every purchase, no matter how small. This will help you spot those sneaky expenses that are draining your budget. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Start by setting aside a small amount each month, even if it's just $50. This will help protect your budget from unexpected surprises. Step 4. Adjust monthly. Review your budget at the end of each month. Did something change? Did you overspend? Don't be afraid to tweak your budget as your life evolves. Remember, budgeting is all about balance and flexibility. The key is to make your budget work for you, not the other way around. Start small, be consistent, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your money. Also, comment below if you struggle with budgeting and share your own tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.